What's up, guys? Check out this really nice pot and pan organizer. It is an 8-tier organizer that's super adjustable. Let me show you how easy this thing is to adjust. You're gonna take one of these right here, and you're just gonna slide it right into the hole and push it down, and it locks right in. And each one of these levels holds up to 10 pounds, which is really nice. So that's gonna give you over 80 pounds of holding capacity. I really love how customizable it is because you can put your bigger pans on the bottom like this and just create more space. And then if you want to have like your thinner pans up higher and just have a narrow tier, you can do that up here, and it just makes it super convenient, especially on your countertop or in your cabinets. This thing is just really nice to have. This is really nice because it can hold your lighter stainless steel pans as well as the cast iron pans. This was really easy to put together. It took about 2 or 3 minutes. There's just these screws here that you're going to want to screw in nice and tight, and that just keeps everything nice and steady for you. So when you do place it on your countertop or in your cabinet, it's just gonna hold your pans really steady. So if you're looking for a great way to keep your kitchen pans organized, this 8-tier storage rack is a great choice. Thanks for watching.